Do you miss the rain? Come and visit the Rain Room Sharjah.
Rain Room Sharjah is a high-tech art installation where it allows their visitor to pass through cascading waters without even getting wet.
Just as long as you walk very, very slowly.
And it goes a little bit something like this.
Go to their website to book your time slots. A maximum of 6 people can enter at one time. Each viewing will last for 15 minutes. Students at 15 dirhams and adults at 25 dirhams.